Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable comments in Loom. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the left side of your Loom interface. You'll notice a navigation menu there with several options available. Go ahead and click on Library. This is where all your recorded videos are stored and organized, making it easy to access any content you've created. Once you're in your library, you'll see a collection of all your videos. Take a moment to browse through and locate the specific video where you want to disable comments. When you find it, simply click on that video to open it. This will take you to the video's main page where you can view the content and access various settings. Now, on the right side of your screen, you'll see several options and controls related to this video. Look for and click on Settings. This is your control center for managing everything about this particular video, from privacy options to viewer permissions and engagement features. Within the settings menu, you'll need to navigate to a specific section that controls who can interact with your video. Click on Audience. This section is dedicated to managing how viewers can engage with your content, including permissions for viewing, sharing, and commenting on your videos. As you explore the audience settings, you'll come across an option labeled Comments. This feature controls whether viewers can leave feedback, questions, or reactions on your video. It's a useful engagement tool, but there are times when you might want to limit interactions or keep the content more streamlined without distractions. Right beside the comments option, you'll notice a toggle button. This simple switch allows you to quickly enable or disable the commenting feature for this video. Go ahead and click the toggle button to turn it off. Once you do this, viewers will no longer be able to leave comments on this particular video, giving you full control over the level of interaction and feedback you receive. And that's it. You've successfully disabled comments on your Loom video, allowing you to maintain a cleaner, more controlled viewing experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.